me?
Oh, good golly.
I'm Walden.
I'm impressed.
Oh, Ellen. Guess what? I had sex with 2 girls last night.
Great. I masturbated and cried myself to sleep.
I like my night better. Oh, hey. I dig your house, so I'm gonna buy it, okay?
Oh, okay. Thanks.
You're the best.
Oh.
Right.
This is Walden. He's been by the house.
Welcome to my humble abode.
I like him.